Welcome to Goalie's PIP Academy. What if I told you that everything around you, your toys, your clothes, even the phone you're watching this on, started as a bunch of raw materials? How do all these things come together to make the stuff we use every day? That's the magic of manufacturing, and today we're going to uncover how it all works. Let's dive in and discover the amazing world of making things. So what is manufacturing? Simply put, it's the process of making things. Whether it's building cars, creating video game consoles, or baking cookies, manufacturing is all about taking raw materials, like metal, plastic, or dough, and turning them into finished products. Pretty awesome, right? Manufacturers use tools, machines, and sometimes even robots to make things faster, better, and more efficiently. For example, if you want to make a toy car, manufacturing might start with melting plastic to shape the car's body, painting it with cool designs, and adding wheels that actually spin. It's like turning an idea into something you can hold in your hands. Now let's dive into some amazing types of manufacturing. Did you know there are different ways to make things? One method is called mass production, where factories make lots of the same thing, like chocolate bars or Lego bricks. Another method is custom manufacturing, where each item is made special and unique, like custom-designed shoes. Isn't that cool? Here comes our first quiz. Are you ready to test your knowledge? True or false? Manufacturing is the process of turning raw materials into finished products. Think you know the answer?
Hey, you're watching Goalie's PIP Academy, where we teach about science, geography, history, everything about the whole world. If you want to watch these classes with no ads, no distractions, go to getgoalie.com.
If you said true, then well done. That's right. Manufacturing is all about transforming raw materials like metal, plastic, or wood into awesome things we use every day. Now, let's sprinkle in some super cool facts. Did you know that some factories use robots to do really tricky jobs? These robots can build cars, package snacks, and even assemble tiny electronics like smartphones. It's like having a team of robot helpers making sure everything gets done perfectly. The world's largest factory is in Everett, Washington, and it's where airplanes are built. This factory is so huge it could fit 75 football fields inside. Can you imagine working in a place that big? Another cool thing about manufacturing: some factories are powered by renewable energy like wind and solar. This helps protect the planet while making all the awesome things we use. How amazing is that? And here comes our second quiz. Ready for another fun question? Let's go. What do some factories use to build things more quickly and efficiently? A. Robots. B. Dinosaurs. C. Magic spells. D. Aliens. Take a moment to think. If you chose A, robots, then fantastic. That's absolutely correct. Robots help factories build things faster and more precisely, making manufacturing super cool. Let's keep going with more fun manufacturing facts. Did you know that 3D printing is a type of manufacturing? It's like magic. You can design something on a computer, press a button, and watch a machine create it layer by layer. People use 3D printing to make toys, tools, and even parts for rockets. Isn't that mind-blowing? Before we wrap up, let's talk about why manufacturing is so important. It's not just about making stuff. It's about creating jobs, solving problems, and bringing ideas to life. Let's recap what we learned today. Manufacturing is the process of turning raw materials into finished products. It can involve mass production or custom creations, and robots often play a big role in making things faster and better. We also learned about 3D printing, giant airplane factories, and how renewable energy is helping make manufacturing more eco-friendly. Whether it's building cars, making candy, or printing rocket parts, manufacturing is all about turning ideas into reality. Thanks for joining us on this behind-the-scenes adventure. If you loved learning about manufacturing and how cool it is, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you want to learn more, and be sure to check out our other playlists. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and keep exploring.
My mind is blown! Where can I learn more about these videos? Oh yeah, getgoalie.com. There's no ads, there's no junk, just cool stuff for kids and a dedicated tablet. Check it out, getgoalie.com.